All right, the next project, we're back at the saw here. So very quickly, we're going to take a look at our stock. Here's our nylon. We have about 3 inches there, just like our stock had mentioned. Over here, we have the 3 by 2 1/4. So it looks like we're going to cut that 2 1/4. But before we go too far, we're going to make sure that we do have the right width, and it's a little over 5/8, so we can expect that to be good. So over here, we're going to make sure that this is snug this way. So that's our feed. And then we can actually pick this up, and then we're able to come over to the handle and open our jaw up here. Pardon for the camera shaking. It's kind of difficult to get all these angles at one shot and then you guys to be able to see what you want to see. So we're going to make sure that's semi-clean there. We're going to run this out. Then we're going to use our feed knob to bring this down a little closer and stop closer to size. We're also going to use our clamp handle to make sure this is snugged, and then we're going to back that off so we can slide it in and out. And then remember, we had 3 by 2.25, so that's 2 1/4. So I'm about 2 1/2 here. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this in a little bit. 2 3/8. Okay, so when you're trying to line this up and you want to be super critical, remember, if there's extra material there, you can cut it off. But if the material's not there, you can't cut it off. So again, erring to the side of larger is better. So there's our 2 1/4. We're going to go ahead over here, make sure that our handle is nice and tight so our part doesn't move, and then we're going to recheck, and I still have my 2 1/4, and so I'll be able to turn my knob, hit the start blade, and start feeding down. We're going to set this to about using this about the 4 or 5 for the nylon. This could be between the 1 and the 2. And as you can see, it's going to saw just like we experienced with Project 1. We're going to stop that there. We should be done with this portion of it. Okay, we're going to head off to getting our material.